Hi guys, well welcome back to Allotment Diggers. November the 5th today, and I've got a few clips to show you, but the first one is what we did yesterday on a back bed on the back part of the plot. We removed the wigwams, cleaned the bed up until there was not a single weed in it. We will be going back there to dig trenches in it and throw a load of chicken manure in it. I'll be showing you that before we put what we're going to be putting in it in a week's or so's time. But yeah, we're going to show you now as clearing the runner beans, and we're going to show you me, breaking them out and showing you what the beans look like. They're called normal. These are the runner beans. What we're going to be removing now. So we're going to show you a clip from start to finish, and we'll come back and we've got something else we're going to be showing you what we're doing. Hi guys, welcome back to Allotment Diggers. Well, in this episode I'm going to be showing you me removing these, what you see here, and which are the Enorma runner beans. I'm going to be taking the canes up, taking the plants out, tidying the bed up. We'll wrap the canes up. You'll see me obviously harvesting these, and you'll also see me picking some of these out to save, well, these ones in particular. So I'm going to show you that video now. There's a load of little clips all rolled into one, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about what we're going to be doing with that bed. Well, got my bag to put all these beans in, and got a couple of trays. I've already started collecting a few of these. There's a few good ones, and there's the ones we're after. Let's grab a few. Yeah, these are the ones we're after to get some seeds from. You probably can hear them shaking. We're going to break a few of these open later, so I'll show me doing that and show you what we need. But what I'm doing now, just going around removing these off here. These are the good ones. We've got a pumpkin here as well, they've not done now, so I'm just going to pull these up, drop the camera down here so you can see what we're doing. Just here. It was a bit too late really. But get me bag. These are all going in. Even got flowers on them. Tidy all this up as we go along, but the main thing today, we've got to take these wigwams down, so I'm going to need to take this. I've got some secateurs here to cut through these cable tie things. I can take the canes out. This is what's been protecting it. So we'll remove this green sheeting. All this has all got to be cleared away. Yep. A lot of work to do. What I'm going to do, I'm going to roll this up because it's not too bad, it's not damaged. Well, we can get it round here. Look at these here, guys. Right, so I'm just going to roll this off. I'll leave it down here for the time being. I'll roll that up in a bit. But we get some idea of, I don't know if you can see down here, it's just covered in beans, and they're not bad too. So yeah, it's going to take some time. So well, we've managed to separate them, so I think we'll just put a note to the recording, because you don't want to see this all the way through. But once we've got them all cleared, we'll come back and we'll show you what we've got. Okay, so I'll be right back, guys. Let's get rid of them, get them all bagged up and get them moved. All I've got to do now is just rake all these leaves together, do a little bit of tidying up in this bed, and we cracked it. So I'm not going to bore you with that. However, we'll show you the beans, what we've collected, the seed beans, and the ones what we're going to give my neighbour. In fact, you can probably see them over there on the path. But we'll come to them in a bit. I've just got to tidy up here first. Okay. So there's the bed. All nice, clean and tidy. What we will be doing is adding a load of compost to that, chicken manure. We'll be digging about a foot deep and lining the bed, the bottom of it, with chicken manure, and then covering it back up, and we'll go all the way along here, all the way down to here. So that's the bed tidied up, and almost good to go. We've got to put some bloodfish and bone, and we dig it all in and what have you. Hi guys, you join me down here separating the seeds for next year, and simple. You know when these are ready, they start rattling around in the pods. I don't, you can't hear them shaking, but they're shaking there. You can hear that. That's a nice pod as well. And like I say, they separate really easy. I'm dropping pods on the floor here. I'll be getting bloody runner beans growing up, growing in the path. But yeah, we've removed the wigwams now, as you've just seen in the clip, and we're collecting a few of these. Give my neighbour a few of them. Well, what we ended up with obviously was with these, and you see me there at the end splitting them, and we collected these, we've inspected them individually to make sure there's no damaged ones. We will be dividing them into three, putting them into 3 little paper bags, storing them in a cold place, and checking on them every 4 weeks just to make sure that there's no fungus or out like that has got into the bags. And the reason why we do them in 3 bags is if one bag becomes infected with something, at least we've got 2 more. And all we're going to be doing is probably using that many of these in armour runner beans next year, and the rest of them we'll give away to other people to do the same. So there you go, that's the beans, they're all out, bed's nice and clean. The next thing I want to show you is, well, we've picked up thousands of bulbs from Wilco's. And when I say thousands, I mean thousands. They're a fifth of the price, £5 packs, quid. You're getting 100 bulbs in each pack, and you know, do the maths, I've got about 30-40 quid's worth in the end for my house, my gardens, and for the allotments as well. We filled the boot of the car twice. In fact, we was in the store. Let me show you what these are, the selection, what we could get, and this is what we got. And everything you see here, the £5 things are £1. Some of them are £1, some of them are 10p, 20p, all on special offer. All these. I'm just filling my bag up now. Oh, you just asked me did I want a bigger trolley. But yeah. Wilkinson's on Salford Precinct, everything. The £3 ones are, I think, the 50p, the pound ones are 25p, these £4 ones are £1. It's crazy. So I'm going to fill my socks there, guys. That's them. Look at all these, like a kid in a candy store. Yeah, the bloke come up to me and he said to me, he says, would you like a bigger trolley? I said, I looked at him and thought, you're being sarcastic, aren't you? I said, oh, have you got a bigger trolley? Yeah, go and get it, mate. So he went and brought me a trolley like 3 times the size of that thing. It's like an half-size trolley. We filled that up twice with bulbs. We didn't even scratch the actual display. He actually brought even more bulbs down for me to pick out, you know, choose all different bulbs, and we took all the different varieties. So you know, we've got absolutely thousands of them. So I decided to do a couple of these wicker hanging baskets, and I used these halos, like a tomato halo, to balance the actual hanging baskets while we did it. So let me show you what we just done. Well, guys, I've got doing a couple of hanging baskets. These are them pointy witches wicker baskets, you know, hanging baskets, and I found these are great for putting your pointy wicker baskets in, so you can actually work on them and put your bulbs in and what have you. Now, sorry about the wind, not much you can do about that, but yeah, we've got some bulbs there. In fact, we've got thousands of bulbs. We're just starting to put a few in now. This is clover compost, and yeah, we're going to put some allium molly in, and some EP bowlers crocuses in, and obviously these ones, the alliums are bigger, so what we're going to do, we're going to stick them in the middle. We're going to stick an handful in the middle, and then put the crocuses around the side. So that's what we're doing, and hopefully we'll get some really good flowers this year. But at the moment I'm just going to stick them in a sort of semicircle. Obviously I'm doing them the right way up. Yeah, they look absolutely glorious, these, and like I say, more the merrier. I realised he had these hanging baskets in the shed, and they've just been there for forever, and we can hang them under the other hanging baskets that I've got, so yeah, it's not a problem. Yeah, be lots of flowers. Oh, just dropped one on the floor. Or did I? Well, it went somewhere. Right, so that's the centre, and now we're going to put these crocuses around the outside. You know, just do them like that. They're just starting to poke up these, so we just got them in time, and it won't be long before they'll all be up. We're going to have some wonderful colour on the allotments this year. I've got hundreds and hundreds of these, all different colours. These are a yellow variety of crocus. Yeah, it's been raining today. Get these done. Give them a bit of a water. I don't really think they need much watering, but I'm just going to push these deep now. I'm just showing you where they were. Don't have to go too deep with them. I'm just going to put them all in. I've got absolutely thousands of these guys, you know what I mean, so I can pile them in. I don't have to be sparing. There we go, that's the last one. Pressing down. And give them some more, just chop them up again. I'm using clover. This is new clover, by the way. It's not none of the spent clover from the potatoes. So we're going to hang these now. I'll show you where I'm going to hang them. So there you go, we've got some lovely flowers will be coming up in there, and we've hung them on the shed. I'm going to show you now where we've hung them. Well, these are the hanging baskets. It's like the bloody hanging gardens of Babylon here. There's another one, that's the one we've just done. And we've put loads of crocuses and all sorts of stuff, goodies in these. This is a picket fence, what we're going to be using. I'll explain more about what we're going to do here. We've made some here, and well, we've got another load here which we've been making. I'll explain more about what we're going to be doing with them, but we're not just right this moment, but yeah, we just covered it over to stop it getting wet before I painted it. But yeah, they're the hanging baskets anyway. So yeah, they look absolutely wonderful just below the others, and we've since then we've actually took all the marigolds out and we've reseeded them with loads of crocuses and what have you. We got absolutely piles of crocuses, all different colours and irises, tulips, hyacinth, daffodils, a whole host of different daffodils. I was going to start sprout into Wordsworth then. We won't though. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we did today. Anyway, it's bonfire night tonight. So what I'm going to do, I've got a little treat for you. I'm going to show you in a second. And right at the end of the video, because where my house is, it points straight to Buell Park where they have the fireworks display. I'm going to show you in a minute or two of the fireworks and let you see that at the end. So let me show you this clip. Remember, the 5th of November, the gunpowder treason and plots. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Guy Fawkes, 'twas his intent to blow up King and Parliament. 70 barrels of powder below to prove old England's overthrow. By God's providence, he was catched with a dark lantern and a burning match. Hello boys, let the bells ring. Hello boys, God save the King. In 1605, Guy Fawkes tried to blow up King James and the Houses of Parliament, and he was catched. And every single year from that day on, we have celebrated Bonfire Night. So there you go, that's a bit of the history, and on we go. So there you go folks, I hope you enjoyed that. Now let's finish off with this fireworks display, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. We've got loads to be doing down here over the next couple of weeks. I've got a load of videos to show you, so keep checking in and you'll see what we've been doing. And I can tell you right this moment the plot is looking absolutely wonderful, but I want to show you all the clips what we've had to do that to get it to that stage. So until the next time, enjoy the fireworks. Nearly 1,000 feet in the air then. Deal. That's pretty awesome.